The Mooloolaba Harbour entrance, Saturday, the 28th of June. From the breakwater, Richard's video this morning shows a cold and freshening southerly wind. Temperature of 15 degrees centigrade with overcast skies. Take care when crossing the bar, especially around low water and/or if breaking swells and waves are present. On Richard's video this morning, he's saying,
"Another quiet start to the day here. It's less cold than yesterday, and in the lee of the headland, the bar has some waves and swell, but not breaking and with fair conditions for boaters to cross. So far this morning, boat traffic has been light. Looks like we might get some rain later today."
When crossing the bar, don life jackets. Obtain local knowledge, latest notices to mariners, NTM and via Coast Guard on 0754443222. Look out for whales and keep well clear by at least 100 metres, and for jet skis, 300 metres. The latest bulletin from the Bureau of Meteorology issued at 4:45 this morning. Forecast for Saturday until midnight. Winds southeasterly. 10 to 15 knots, reaching up to 20 knots offshore during the morning. Seas around 1 metre. Swell, south to southeasterly around 1 metre inshore, increasing to 1 to 2 metres offshore. Weather, partly cloudy and a 60% chance of showers.